that was a sheep for a second. Almost.
My boy.
Almost.
What's up?
I was gonna roll up.
Ash Wednesday, bro?
You gonna?
You're working on shit all day. So before he leaves, like, let me put some oil on my head.
No, dead ass. I was doing a DOD delete, and I had to take the oil pan off, and
You good.
sweating horsepower right now.
You good.
I was gonna roll up. You gonna have to beat this out. And I was gonna say, well, let's just say, motherfucking Ella's nasty.
That video? Yeah. that bitch be breathing out the damn side. Oh my god. So you ain't never seen Hank. All right, let's just throw it way back to when Phil was building.
I don't know.
What was the name of it?
Which car?
The one that looked just
Bobby.
like it. Oh, Bobby.
Bro, we had a whole King of the Hill thing going on.
I remember now. And he said he was going to bust my ass. Would you like to retract your statement?
I don't have the car anymore.
So I'm saying, if you had it, would you retract your
if you
statement?
keep this long enough, the potamus is coming after your ass, but I need you on gate because I don't have a built motor.
Get out of here.
I'm still stock.
That's stock motor. I said you built motor. Stock motor, bro.
John, you?
Stock motor.
How long? We've known each other for 3 years. You have
Stock
nothing
motor.
stock.
Hey, like that stock 5.3.
Yeah,
Right.
it's stock 5.3, stock motor, stock.
Stock.
Yeah.
All right. Big quotation marks.
So we're gonna see if we can keep it on the ground. Are you gonna hold the wheel tonight? I thought there might be one issue. You ain't gonna fit in there. That's straight up Hobbit status.
I can get shorter. I can cut a few inches off my
Robotic hip?
Yeah.
All right. We'll see. I'm trying. I need to run. I'm looking to run a PB, not wheelie, and then hopefully bust someone's ass. I'm looking for a race. So if you know any real deal street cars, come
Oh, there's a street car over there.
That blue one?
Yeah. Hey, them dudes lost 16 grand last week, so I'm pretty sure you can do a small pot.
It's a shame to lose in something that people call a pro mod, though.
Getting a race tonight. Ain't no racing happening tonight. We're just making test passes all day. It's ridiculous. Hey, I just want to let you know, you're not grudge racing shit tonight.
Why?
Just with that pass that you made right there. You can just go out there and like short dick it. You had the big dick it.
I mean, there's only one dick I got, okay? Dude, what's up with the log, bro? The log is just, I can't.
Is this a Terminator?
I can't put no more power in it up top.
You got a dash in yours?
No.
I can't put any more power in it up top because it won't data log and tell me what my fuel consumption is. Like, I think I'm right at the fine line of being out of fuel pumps. That sucker left, nice.
Nice, so you turn it down and...
Well, I gotta
We gotta turn it up.
Are we hot lapping this thing?
I mean, I just pulled it back. What am I gonna do?
I was like, yo, is he really driving back around?
What do y'all want me to do? I just sit over there?
Yeah, man, put some fans on it, you know.
It's got a radiator.
Don't you like street car shit? You don't have to do all this fans and vacuums and check the fuel and cool the trans down.
I mean, it's nice.
What do you mean it's nice?
It's nice. It's less
nice.
work. It's less work. Travis, how to look from your end?
Trying to get me.
It was going right, and then it started coming back up. I was like,
Whenever we get on the lift at the shop, we gotta
what?
make a change.
Bar angle change?
No, that man's door was definitely still open. Yeah, I just said that. Yeah, the door was, yeah, right? I was waiting for it to just shoot off the damn car as soon as it got past the stripe. Trying to lock something in with this green Mustang, motherfucker won't race. Yeah, it's turbo car. Turbo street car.
Daddy got plenty of money.
Every damn nitrous car. Huh?
They know what they're doing.
Hey, Bo, ain't you glad you got a turbo car and not a nitrous car? I just watched 2 nitrous cars pop back to back.
They did?
Bruh, and the track is hooking and shit's just loading up and just, you know, get past 60 and pop. You know,
I mean,
big nitrous backfire, blow your hood off.
Dude, look at this. See this big hole in my crotch right here?
Is that for your balls?
Yeah, it's because I drive a turbo car.
Oh, yeah. Turbo to the front.
Hey, does this thing sound good on the chip?
Yeah. Can
Yeah.
you just remember to turn the boost controller on? I'm
got
gonna
it.
I'm gonna yell I'm gonna open the door But like, turn the boost controller on, and then
And then once you say that, turn around and be like, everyone, the boost controller's on.
I'm the director of boost control.
Hey, everybody talk shit. Talk some shit. Hurry up. He doesn't know it's on. John, bro.
Hey, turn it around like selfie mode. Just talk to him.
Give a little something.
Oh.
Oh yeah.
Now talk shit.
I found this fucking camera on the side of the road. I think it's this guy named Blackphillbuilt. Go ahead, what you got to say?
I ain't got nothing to say.
Dang.
He always freezes up on camera.
Where's you at? Bring that slow G35 over here.
Ooh. That what?
Yeah. That's slow.
Goes through all the effort to do an LS swap.
I heard that slow G35. And how do you turn it off before he pulls back up? You just hit the button. Don't turn it off.
Okay. We'll keep
Keep recording.
He's about to go drive that fucking G over here in second gear. Pour out slippy.
He's gonna get home later and watch this shit. Now, what the fuck is this? Oh, it just died. That's why it's off.
No, it's still going.
No, it's recording. I got it.
Alright, you saw it?
Well, you want me to turn the car off?
No, turn the boost controller on.
Wait, shut it off?
Yeah.
Shut it off?